Congratulations, you're witnessing a tornado.
Wow, look at that thing.
We're just outside of Sterling. Tornado has touched the ground. Just wait. That thing is very well defined.
Look at that thing. Look how tall that debris is getting. Look at that. Looks like it's moving north a little.
That's good. It's away from us.
Oh, look, it's going to meet there, isn't it?
Yep.
It's going to meet. Holy shot, look at that thing.
There she blows. Oh, that's a beauty.
Oh my goodness.
That is a beauty. Yes, sir. We have tornado.
Oh wow, look at that thing.
That is beautiful.